Hey there everyone, welcome back. Today we are in Tulsa, Oklahoma at Tulsa RV. We're going to look at this Bullet. This is the 310, oh by the way, it is a 2025. This is the 310 RES or the 310 Res. Let's take a look. 2025s are coming out everywhere now. So you got a decent front storage area. It's a little bit larger on this side than the other side, but you can get some decent sized bins in there. Right, not too bad at all. If we look up, we have an awning that starts here almost at the front, goes all the way to the door, and then a second awning that's on that slide out right there. Got a glass door, which is interesting. I love the glass doors. Actually, it's sort of a very unique look. You have a step above step, Goodyear tires, solar on board, moving around to the back. Your spare tire is here. Your ladder mounted full time, and you are wired for a backup camera. Your power connection is also right here in the very back. Moving further forward, your sewer connection is right here. And you have an additional large storage area in this slide right here. I do believe the jacks on this are electric. So you're not cranking these down. You press a button and the jacks come down. Here's the other side of that storage I was talking about. And here is your water connection. All right. So let's close this and take a look at the numbers. This has a gross vehicle weight of 8,340 pounds and a cargo carrying capacity of 2,120 pounds. Coming around to the front, you have an electric jack to get it off your tow vehicle, two 20-pound propane tanks, and a spot for a couple of batteries. Absolutely love it. Let's go take a look at the inside. We want to thank Larry and Jacob for having us here at Tulsa RV. And if you see one of the RVs here that you love, make sure you give them a call, 918-234-0000, and make sure you tell them the tall man sent you. So as you come in, this has a very fifth wheel feel here in the back, Lisa, doesn't it?
It does, and I love the colors, the backsplash.
I agree. This is, recently we've seen a couple of RVs that feel very homey. This is another one.
Yeah.
It is very, very comfortable. Right, so you have opposing sofas here. That's a love seat. This is a little bit wider than a love seat because it's got this that comes down for your cup holders and things. But if you want to snuggle with your loved one, ouch, kabow wow, you can just put it up. Okay.
Are these recliners?
They are recliners. I believe the handle's right here. Yes.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
Like that.
All manual. That is converts to be a bed if you need to be a bed. There's USB and 110 on either side. Cabinetry above. I love the barrel ceiling, especially at my height of 6'4". Yeah, by the way, if this is your first time finding our channel, do us a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, become part of the Tall Man Clan. It is free to you, costs you absolutely nothing, and it really does help out the channel, and Lisa and I sincerely appreciate it. Thank you. But at my height, I love the barrel ceiling because it just gives me a little bit more comfort walking around. Right? Across from your recliners is your entertainment. As you see, this is a 50-inch TV. A little fireplace for warming Lisa's freakishly tiny cold feet. Yeah. Freakishly tiny cold feet. And cabinetry all around. All right, our dinette is a traditional dinette, except that table isn't sort of permanently there. You can move that table wherever you want it. So if you want to maybe sit over here and have dinner and watch the game or whatever, you could do that. Or take it outside if you're having a party. Anyway, there is storage underneath as well. And then we have the kitchen.
Yeah, I love the colors in here. You've got this great lighting detail, solid surface countertops. You got a large black stainless single basin sink. Look at that faucet.
Right? What is that? Isn't that kind of cool?
And that is really
Maybe it's supposed to be like that. I don't know. I think it's supposed to be like that.
I like it like this.
I do too, but the water's going to be shooting at me. It's supposed to be like that.
Why do you think I like it like that?
Yeah, I know. Right now, I would be happy about it.
Isn't that your spray jets?
No.
No?
Maybe. No, I don't think so.
No?
No. Because there's right?
Gotcha.
I don't know. Who knows?
Yeah.
Anybody know? Let us know in the comments. Does it work this way and this way?
It's a new toy. I think it does.
I don't know. I wouldn't mind getting wet right now because it is bloody hot.
It is so hot in here.
So hot.
Yeah, so underneath you have all of this huge storage. You've got a little drawer here, same on this side. Yep. And then behind me, again, solid surface countertops. I love it. You've got prep space there. You've got a microwave, a 3-burner stove, and an oven. Some drawers over there. There's a drawer underneath here. You do have power in the back corner as well as over lighting, under counter lighting. You've got your Furrion refrigerator freezer.
Yep. This is solar on board. That works going down the street. Great. Nice food pantry. All right, let's see how they did. All right, that needs some support in the middle, guys. If you put too much food up there, it's going to sag. So another piece of wood there in the middle, and you have been good to go. So there you go. And a little sort of side coffee area, right?
Yeah.
Put that coffee pot there, have a timer on, so when you wake up in the morning, you got coffee waiting for you.
I like it.
All right, let's go on. Uh-oh, you know what time it is.
It's time for Tall Man's Toilet Test.
Again, if you're skipping around the video a little bit, I'm 6'4", all right? And at my height, sitting on this porcelain foot flush toilet, there are no issues at all. Pretty comfortable. I'm close to the left side, but I'm not at the left side, and there's plenty of room over here. So I definitely would say good for the tall and fluffy. Across from me is your sink area. I got some extra countertop space for the lotions and potions. Power, of course. Some storage underneath. Medicine cabinet up top. The mirror is a great place for someone my height. I can see my entire self, even though I'm follically challenged. Over next to the toilet is a place for the linens, for all those towels. And let's get into the shower, man. This is a really great shower. First of all, it's got my favorite door. Mix master, tall man. Sorry. Anyway, yeah, I love that just because it's out of the way. You don't have to remember to latch it down if it's glass. It's not going to shatter on you going down the road. I just love that, okay? 36 by 30, I believe. Got 3 shelves for shampoos and things. I love it. Shower head's in a great place. The bubble, you could be 6'8" max and stand in the bubble. Only thing I don't like is the screws are not recessed. However, because the skylight is basically the entire shower, I'm never going to come close to any of those screws. So they would not bother me, but I do point them out for you. Let's go check out the master, Lisa.
All right.
Let's get this door closed. All right. Yeah, it's comfortable up here too, guys.
It is. I love the colors.
You know what? I believe this is an RV King.
It does look like.
This is an RV King. Yep, 70. 70 by 80. It is an RV King. However, please note, to get that RV King, you don't have nightstands. Okay? You do have these 2 little corner shelves, and that's it. Okay? From a power standpoint, I see no power down here on the left hand, on the right side of the bed. Is there power down there on the ground?
There's power right there.
Okay, perfect. So it's above.
Both corners.
Okay. All right, so I don't know. What do you guys think of the corner shelf up there sort of above your head? Is that okay? Or would you rather have it on your side? But look, we've talked about this before in RV videos. If you're going to have one thing, something else has got to give. To get a king-size mattress in here, or at least an RV King, which is 10 more inches, you're losing what the area would be for a nightstand, right? So anyway, let us know what. I want to know what you think. Would you rather have the nightstands, or would you rather have the wider bed? So there you see there's some storage underneath with drawers as well. I love the combination. There's also a cabinet over here next to this side of the bed, which is tight, but you can get in. And this is all shelves, Lisa.
Oh, nice.
And they're adjustable shelves.
Nice.
Now, the reason they have that is over here. Open that cabinet for me, Lisa. Over here is other shelves. However, it's also a place to put a washer dryer.
I love that.
So you can put a combo washer dryer in here.
That is just awesome.
I do too. Place for TV right there. You've got your sort of dresser here with 3 drawers and some cabinetry as well. And then you still have a huge closet all the way up in the front.
That's amazing.
Right?
Yes.
You're not losing anything in here from a storage standpoint. Only the nightstands, which I'll be honest, that wouldn't bother me.
That would not bother me
at
all.
We don't have CPAPs, right? So I don't know if it's a thing. Again, let us know what you think in the comments below. Until we see you again somewhere on the road, be safe.